Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our Healthy Hero spreads for the next week in September. I've got some sticker sheets here. I've got a couple of mild liners and the sticker books and sheets that I pulled from. Okay, so this week I decided that I wanted to kind of carry through that more elegant looking theme that I kind of had started last week with the botanicals. And pulled out this sticker sheet I've had for a little bit that has like a kind of a sea life theme, and I thought that would be a good basis for this week's spread. So I'm going to go ahead and get my sidebar going. I pulled those habit trackers from the Supermom again, and then most of these other stickers aside from the sea life came from the Color Story sticker book, I believe. But yeah, so I pulled this one here, the Just Breathe, for my Saturday rest day. And then I pulled these different color strips, also from the Color Story, to kind of denote my food log days. And I'm sticking with a certain color scheme, basically tying to that Sea Life sticker sheet. So it's mainly coral colors with blues and greens. I basically just try to find things along those lines when I pulled the stickers. Now that I've got those laid in, I'm going to go ahead and start placing in my stats stickers. And my stats as well, same thing, I just tried to pull in that same color scheme. I wanted to have, each day be a specific color, but I didn't have enough of each type of thing to do that, so I had to make sure I was staggering it so that I could fulfill the color scheme and still do it. So like some of them I had 2, some of them I had 3 of that certain color, so that's why I had to kind of stagger them. Otherwise I would have liked to have done it like Monday being all coral, Tuesday being, green, Wednesday being blue, that sort of thing. So I've got these workout stickers that I'm putting in now. Those are from the Healthy Hero. Basically my same setup, just using a variety of stickers. And I'm going to go ahead and start placing in some of those focus area stickers, kind of the theme here. I got a sticker sheet like this a while back when I did kind of like a watercolor fruit spread, I think I called it. And these stickers are a bit different than the clear stickers you would get in the Happy Planner pack. They are a bit more shiny, and they also don't come up well, which you'll see. I tried to move one and totally ripped the page, so you'll see that in a minute. But yeah, so these stickers, they're pretty, and they're a pretty good price. I think I paid, I think it's like, yeah, it says $1.99 there, and I think I had a coupon, or it was on sale. Yeah, really pretty cheap way to get a theme going. However, the stickers aren't as good quality, in my opinion, as the Happy Planner stickers. Meaning as the quality being the actual materials used to make the stickers, not the designs. The designs I think were really pretty. So yeah, so I'm doing a little bit of a mix here. So I grabbed some of those quotes from the Color Story. There's a Color Story one that has like a kind of faith-leaning section, which is where a lot of these came from. I just thought that the writing and the messages went well with the health message that I would need. Oh, see, that's where I totally ripped it. And we're not done over there. But anyway, so I did think that the messages were good for my Healthy Hero, be brave, have faith, expect miracles. Those kind of things, are good encouragement for me, especially because I'm dealing with a lot of health issues. So just trying to stay positive and, believe that things will get better and that chronic conditions can be overcome with healthy habits is my hope. So I decided to pull those stickers, and luckily they coordinated pretty well with this sticker book, or sticker sheet I should say. So just trying to figure out where to put some of these things. I will say the the end result of this is okay, but it's a little bit awkward. I think mainly those shell shapes were a little bit hard to deal with, just those conical shapes. Trying to make those look good, kind of, you know, I don't know, it was throwing me off. I was trying to make them look good, and I feel like my end result was okay, but still a little bit awkward. So, yeah. Yeah. Now let's try and fit in this Be Brave sticker, which I liked. So I'm going to pull up that clear sticker so I'm not covering it, kind of wedge it in there. There we go. And then try to fit a few more of those shells in. Like I said, it kind of just felt a little bit cluttery in the end. And I wanted to use this nice, I guess it's a clam shell or scallop shell. And the only place it really fit was that place I tried to pull it before, so I decided to just try to salvage it, move that coral over so I could fill that little spot next to the seahorse. And then get that shell in. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just leave that as it is and get started with those highlighters. So I like to track my total calories as well as my sleep, so I'm just gonna make a couple of spots for that using these highlighters and wiping down my ruler, but apparently it didn't matter because I was still smearing it a little bit even with the wiping down, but the wiping down definitely helped. So this is where my total calories will go. Just cleaning that up, making it solid. I'm using my little jelly roll pen to kind of clean those edges that smeared a little bit. And then the stat that I like to track that isn't included on those stat stickers, sleep. I like to know how much I sleep in an evening. So I will put that in. And just finishing this guy up. And one more. And once I'm done with this, I think we will be done, friends. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below and go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.